आज हम ये रिपोर्ट कार्ड का प्रोग्राम बनाना सीखें। हमारा क्वेश्चन है, राइट ए प्रोग्राम टू कैलकुलेट टोटल एंड परसेंटेज। यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट टोटल एंड परसेंटेज, grade and result of a student. Inputs are roll number and subject mark. The criteria for grade calculation is, if the percentage is greater than 90, we have to give A1. It is between 80 to 90, we have to give A2. 70 to 80, we have to give B1. 60 to 70, B2. 50 to 60 C1, 40 to 50 D2 grade, and less than 40 E grade. When we run this program on a computer will ask enter name, will give the name, roll number and 5 subject total marks, and the result will be in this format. Here you will study how to calculate grade. This you will study, and how to calculate result, pass and fail. So we are going to study selective control structure. It is known as if condition statement. We will study this is selective control, and second we will study if condition statement, else statement, and third we will study if condition statement, else if condition statement, else if condition statement. Dot means else if, else if, else if, and the last is else statement. We will study these three selective control structure: if condition statement, if condition statement, else statement, and if else if we will study. So let's come to new page, and now we want to calculate grade. Percentage shown in PR greater than equal 90, we have to give A1 grade. So how to do this condition write down? So we write if PR greater than equal 90, STR CPY grade comma A1. This is the statement of calculating. You use header file hash include string.h. What is this strcpy? We cannot write grade equal A1. It is a wrong statement. Whenever we store a string in a variable, the variable already declare character type, T character. So this is a string we have declared, and we want to store, we have to write like this. You follow? Next we write down 80 to 90. We have to give grade A2. So we write if PER greater than equal 80 and PER less than 90, STR CPY grade comma डबल कोटेशन मार्क वी हैव रिटन A2। इस तरह A2 जो ग्रेड है वो ग्रेड वेरिएबल में स्टोर हो गया। आपके समझ में आया? हाउ वी राइट द कंडीशन? So we write a third condition 70 to 80. We want to write B1. So we have already done greater equal to 90. A1 we have done. Then 80 to 90 we have given A2 grade. We have already done this also. Now we want this condition. We write if PER greater than equals 70 and PER less than 80, STR CPY grade comma double quote B1. The next condition is 60 to 70 B2. So what you will write down? If PER greater than equals 60 and PER less than 70, STR CPY date comma B2. Similarly, you will write this condition between 50 to 60 C1. You write if PER greater than equal 50 and PER less than 60, STR CPY we have store P1 in grade value. Then we have to write 40 to 50. You have to give D1 grade. What do you write? If PER greater than equal 40 and PER less than 50, STR CPY grade we have stored D1. Then we have to write less than 40, we have to give E grade. We write if PER less than 40, STR CPY grade comma E। आपको समझ में आया किस तरह हमने सारी कंडीशन को लिखा है? So all the condition we have already written. Now we want to calculate result pass or result fail. If the person is a score more than 40 in each subject, greater than equal 40 marks in each subject, then he is pass. Then he is pass. If it is less than 40, then he is declared fail. So how we write this condition? We write here if ENG mark greater than equal 40 and physics mark greater than equal 40 and chemistry mark greater than equal 40 and math mark greater than equal 40. So how many subjects we have taken? This is ENG, physics, chemistry, math, and then and for computer greater than equal, here we write down strcpy result variable. We have stored pass as strcpy result variable. We have stored fail. All subjects has got more than 40% mark, then pass is assigned to result variable and fail. Or if any of the subject the person fail, then fail is assigned to result. For this, we will declare result variable array of character. We will take 5 characters. This is what the calculation is. यहाँ पर आपने सीखा किस तरह हम strcpy का यूज करते हैं। strcpy कमांड जो होता है स्ट्रिंग कॉपी, ये स्ट्रिंग को कॉपी करने के लिए यूज होता है। Let's come to the computer screen and test this program. I have already made this program in cproc directory, so I click on cproc directory. This is my cproc directory. This is my program, grade 2. What I'll do, I'll click here and I write down cmd sm. This is the command prompt where my file is already there. I write down dir to see the file. These are my C program. You want to see this? This is the program. Write a program to calculate total percentage grade. Multi-line comment I have used here. This is you see here, multi-line comment. I've used two header file, string.h and stdio.h. Here I have declared the variables. Here the roll number, integer type, name, 20 character, grade 3 character, and result 5 character. In result variable I store pass and fail. Grade I'll use A1, A2. My subject marks are of float type. I've used enter name, I've used gets name because whenever you use gets function, it takes space because the name consists of space. If I input Amit Kumar Yadav, then after Amit there is a space, after Kumar there is a space. So whenever you take a string with the spaces, you take gets name, and when you take name without any space, you can use scanf, but do not use ampersand sign here. I have used input here, roll number, integer type, that's why I've used %e. I've used Bismarck, %f I've used because eng of float type. मैंने यहाँ पर मैथ्स मार्क को इनपुट लिया है और यहाँ पर %f का यूज करा है, और फिजिक्स मार्क को इनपुट करने के लिए भी मैंने %f का यूज करा है क्योंकि फिजिक्स जो है फ्लोट टाइप है। केमिस्ट्री मार्क को इनपुट करने के लिए भी मैंने %f का यूज करा है क्योंकि ये फ्लोट टाइप है, और कंप्यूटर के मार्क को भी स्टोर करने के लिए मैंने %f का यूज किया। तो आप देखते हैं कि मैंने किस तरह ये इनपुट को लिया है और इसके बाद मैंने टोटल कैलकुलेट करा है। टोटल इक्वल ENG प्लस मैथ्स प्लस फिजिक्स प्लस केमिस्ट्री प्लस कंप्यूटर, एंड आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड, और मैंने यहाँ पर परसेंटेज को कैलकुलेट करा है टोटल इंटू 100/500। यहाँ पर ये कमांड मैंने इफ एल्सिफ के थ्रू करा है। इफ में क्या होता था, आप जब कंडीशन लिखते थे तब यहाँ आपको स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ता था इस तरह, परसेंटेज लेस देन 90। इफ के अंदर आपको इस तरह लिखना पड़ता था, लेकिन यहाँ पर आपको ये देने की जरूरत नहीं है। क्यों नहीं है, इसका कारण क्या है? इफ एल्सिफ इंस्ट्रक्ट ये पूरा एक स्टेटमेंट है, पहली बात। दूसरा, अगर किसी के परसेंटेज 95 है तो 95 greater than 90, the condition will be true. A1 will be assigned to grade and control will transfer here. This means out of this only one statement will be followed. Okay, you can use if statement that I have taught you, or you can use if else statement. What is if else? Suppose I have calculated the percentage, the percentage of person is 85, suppose. Then this condition become 85 greater than equal 90, then condition is false. 85 greater than equal 80, yes, A2 is assigned. This condition means it is less than 90 but greater than 80. This means it is greater than 70, less than 80. This means it is greater than 60, less than 70. This means it is greater than equal 50, less than 60. This means it is greater than equal 40, less than 50. Otherwise, any of the condition not satisfied, control will be transferred to else when it is less than 40 and E will be assigned. This way, we have calculated the result. If all the subject marks greater than 40, we assign result pass to result variable, otherwise fail. This is output statement we have used here. The role variable, this one, is substituted here and the name is substituted here. And it's started with the new line. Subject will be written, maximum mark will be written because it's given in double quotation mark. Anything you write in double quotation mark, it is printed as it is given. जैसा हम डबल कोटेशन में जो कुछ भी लिखते हैं वैसा प्रिंट हो जाएगा. ना डबल कोटेशन में क्या दिया है, इंग्लिश के मार्क, वैसे ही प्रिंट होगा, 100 होगा, 2 टैब स्पेसेस आएंगे और यहाँ पर जो इंग्लिश के मार्क हैं वो यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट होके प्रिंट हो जाए. ऐसे ही यहाँ पर फिजिक्स के मार्क सब्स्टिट्यूट होके प्रिंट होंगे, या केमिस्ट्री के, या मैथ्स के, या कंप्यूटर के सब्स्टिट्यूट होके प्रिंट हो जाएंगे. यहाँ पर टोटल प्रिंट होगा, टोटल ये, और यहाँ पर परसेंटेज की वैल्यू प्रिंट. ग्रेड स्ट्रिंग टाइप है, यहाँ पर प्रिंट होगा और रिजल्ट की वैल्यू यहाँ पर. This is the format I have used. Okay, whether my compiler is working or not, to check that we write down GCC. My GCC compiler is working. Okay, so we write down directly. These are my program. So I write down GCC -o. Now name of exe file. I want to create exe file grade.exe. And the program name is grade underscore A2 underscore strcpy.c. This is my program, grade A2. I press enter, program is compiled, and just you see here grade.exe file is made. To run this file, I write down grade and press enter. When I press enter, this program will execute. Now, computer asking name. I have written Aman Kumar Yadav. Computer asking roll number. I have given 101. Computer asking marks. This 88. Maths mark 99. Physics mark 98. Chemistry mark 99. Computer mark 19, and this is the report card you got. So you see the format, this is the out. Okay, so you have seen the listing and the program you want to see. You have to write notepad, and the program name was grade underscore A2 underscore strcpy.c. This program. So this is the program we have typed in notepad and compiled using GCC compiler. Okay, so this is our question, this is your input, this is your calculation, and this is your print. आपके समझ में आ गया होगा इस प्रोग्राम को हमने किस तरह बनाया है.